Hey guys, it's Jessica Joy here with Super Sister Fitness. Today we're talking about how to heal diastasis recti. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up, hit the subscribe and the notification bell. Let's do this. Today I'm gonna give you 3 tips that will help you heal your diastasis recti. First, we're gonna talk about talking to your doctor. Next, we're gonna talk about posture. And then we're gonna talk about breathing. So first, talk to your doctor. Every body is different. Your doctor is an expert in postpartum women, so please be in communication with him or her so that you can be doing the right things. This is so important. Number 2 is posture. How you are holding your body or sitting or standing throughout the day is going to determine if your diastasis can heal. Because what I see so often is women hunched over and their diastasis is open, or their hips are forward and it's opening the diastasis. And although they may be doing all the diastasis recti exercises they're supposed to be doing, because how their posture is, it's preventing that diastasis from healing. So let's talk about some of the common ones I see. So first one, hips forward. I mean, you were holding your baby like this when it was in your tummy, right? So you're used to this position. But what's happening is your hips are forward, and then imagine your abs are kind of like a zipper, and it's like opening that zipper. So if you're having pressure on your tummy this all day, whenever you're standing at the park, wherever you're at, you're countering all the work that you're doing and any exercises that you're doing. So here's what you want to do. Imagine your hips are like a bowl, okay? And you want to make sure it's not going to spill. So when your hips are forward, whoosh, goodbye, everything's spilling out the back. So you're going to tip your hips to make your bowl of your pelvis level, okay? So that's a good cue. So when you're standing around, check yourself and make sure, okay, doing the dishes, walking around, whoop, tuck it under, okay? Next, let's talk about hunching over. It's so easy to do. You're tired, you have to feed the baby, you're cutting vegetables, you're doing the dishes. Like, it's so common, and here's what's going on. Again, like, it's opening up the diastasis here. Oh, I feel stressed out just doing this. Okay, so here's the tip that you can help realign everything. You're going to imagine a string from your pubic bone to the crown of your head, just pulling it all up. Oh, I feel relaxed now. So that's going to help take this rib tilt and tilt it forward. So it's like, whoa, oh, goody, there's no pressure here. So just think, like this nice string is going to engage your core in a beautiful way. And then also don't overcorrect as well. So you want to think of, let's use the bowl analogy again. Your ribs need to be stacked as well. So before they were hunched like this. You also don't want to be coming upright like this. Again, it's opening the diastasis. Like this is kind of the military posture. Like, whoa, no, not the military. So let's just tuck that down. So ideally you want to think about having the 2 bowls level all the time. It's going to make you feel great, and it's going to allow your diastasis to heal. All right, the last tip is about breathing. So there's 2 things I want you to focus on. One is making sure you're getting a full diaphragmatic breath, okay? So making sure that you're not just breathing in your chest, but breathing in deeper. But the problem is often we say deep belly breath and all the air gets shot out to the front of the belly, again, opening the diastasis. Yeah. So you want to be thinking 360-degree breath. So even your ribs are expanding in the back, they're expanding out and forward. So it's this whole like capsule. Your core capsule is expanding. It's not just forward, because again, you're breathing all day long. So if you are breathing, belly breathing all day, diastasis open, close, it's not gonna heal. So be aware. A great way to practice this is when you're driving. So have good posture, and then when you breathe, try to expand your back. So get your back to be pushing back into the seat a little bit more, so it's not all belly. And then be checking also throughout the day if your ribs are expanding, and this is going to help you develop that 360-degree breath. Again, always be talking to your doctor, and I encourage you to get more resources. But these 3 tips will allow your body to be healing all day long. If this video is helpful, please let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more, please go to my website at jessicajoylife.com. I have a whole guide for you there so that you can heal diastasis recti. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we will see you next week.